Now right here what I want to show you is this number here of 17,154. That's my profits today, and I've only done intraday trading, 30, 40, 50 cents a share at a time, repeatedly find different stocks throughout the day. The market's only been open for 2 hours. There are a couple numbers that you see here is, well, here's 357,000 on this account. That is the account value, and you get 4 times that in day traders buying power. See that day trader marginal equities buying power? So you got about 1.35 million in this account that you can use as day trading in and out, in and out. And you know the rules on that is you're a day trader if you're 3 times round trip transactions in a 5-day period. So with any 5-day business day rolling period, you do more than 3 round trip transactions on stocks, you're going to be considered a day trader. So you'll have 4 times the buying power. I do not recommend to use all that. It's really hard. I've been doing this for 16 years. It's really hard to manage a lot of stocks and a lot of different money. I tend to focus on 2 or 3 stocks, not 8 or 10, and it'd be pretty rare if I have 10 or 15 stocks at once. I do that. That does happen, but not too often. So just to give you an example of the potential of just intraday trading scalp, the intraday trading technique, 17,154. So let's take a look at that. 17,154. Divide that by 357,000. 17,154. Divide that by this starting account, beginning account value. See beginning day account net worth of 339,903. 339,903. Okay. This was a profit of over 5% today. The potential just one technique, intraday scalping, and I think there's a more powerful technique that I'd like to talk to you about. But I do this to keep in shape, keep a little cash flow, keep sharp. This is a pretty typical day after you get proficient with this intraday trading, or it's also known as scalping. Okay, the time now is about 5 minutes to 12 Pacific time. This is the same day, and I want to show you basically what's happened. I think I left off at 17,757 earlier, about 3.5 hours ago, and it's been a really good day for intraday trades, or what we can call scalping. So let's go down here. Now I've made a $31,009.42. That's net after commission. Now this is a really good day because the market is very volatile. Stocks are really moving up and down, so we can use this technique, and after the market settles down and is not as volatile, we'll switch to different types of charts and different types of strategies, and I'll show you how to do that. Right now the intraday trades are working very well. In the future we think that the market will settle down in its volatility, and we'll use different types of strategies that will hold for days or weeks or even perhaps months. So I'll show you how to use these techniques that you can use in your IRA, in your regular brokerage account. So this $31,000 profit off of the opening balance today of 339,903. I've got quite a few accounts. That's 9.1% gain today on the account. That's really excellent. I've always felt that if a guy can make 2 to 4% a day on their account just through intraday trading, they would really do well. And you can do the math on that, what kind of gains you have. And this is all stocks. There's no stock options in here. This is all individual stocks using the intraday trades. And let's go to the chart using an E-Trade chart. Okay, here's what we're looking at. When I recorded earlier this morning, I was showing you at about 8 o'clock, and this is 11 o'clock Eastern right there. You see at the bottom the time right down here? And here's where I was showing you that I was shorting this stock at around as high as 6101, 6110, 6107, and I was looking for this to go in the low about 60 1/4, 60.30. So we made this profit from here to about right there, and it continued to go further lower, quite a bit lower than I thought, but you try to read the charts the best you can. And it was a little difficult than normal trying to trade and record this real time for you on this tutorial. What I can show you in the Wizard training course is the different techniques, probably 7 or 8 different techniques that I use, and this one is particularly doing well right now in this market environment. And as the market changes, we change our strategies and our techniques and our chart settings. So I'm going to teach you in the Wizard training course or in the Daily Stock Picks newsletter, which is an educational newsletter as well as giving stock picks, or in seminars. I'll teach you these techniques. So how to read these charts, and it's just about another hour to the rest of the day, and I'm pretty much done trading for the day. I'm kind of tired. It's a Friday. I'm going to go to the beach this afternoon and tonight, and I don't have any. I've closed all my positions, as you can see from the previous screen, and that's just a great lifestyle. I'd like to share that with you, show you how I've done it and been successful at it, and I'm sure you can do it too.